In this tutorial, I'll teach you how to play both the easy and normal version of the intro to Metallica's Nothing Else Matters on piano. Here's our middle C for reference. We'll be playing the intro in the original key of E minor, which has only F sharp. Here's the preview of the easy version of the intro. And here's a preview of the normal version. The song is in 6/8 timing, so we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. Starting with our left hand, we'll begin our song by playing E octaves on the first beat of each measure for our E minor chord. And we'll play this for 4 measures. On the right hand, we'll be playing the notes G, B, and E, but in an arpeggiated fashion. Starting on the second beat, we'll play from the bottom, going to the top and back down. So we have G, B, E, B, and G. With hands together, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we'll play this 3 times. On the 4th time, on the right hand, we'll play the same thing, except we won't play the last note, G. This is where we'll enter the second part of the intro. Let's play that again. For the second part, we'll play E, G, B, E, B, G on our left for our E minor chord, and we'll play this 2.5 times. Next, we'll play A minor with A, C, E, A, E, C. We'll play this 1.5 times. So E minor chord, and A minor chord. On the right hand, we'll play B, 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 C, B, and on the next beat, we'll play 3 notes quickly to end on A. These 3 notes are C, B, and A, played quickly like so. Next we have B and A, and again we'll play 3 notes quickly to end on E. Those 3 notes are G, F sharp, and E. Let's repeat that. Next, we have E, E, F sharp, and E. With hands together slowly, we have this. Let's repeat that again. Let's repeat that again, and then we'll move on to the next section. For the next section, our left hand will play A, B, C to start our C major chord with C, G, and C. Next is D major chord with D and A. So that's C major chord and D major chord. Then we'll end on E octaves for our E minor chord. So A, B, and C major chord, D major chord, and E minor chord. On the right hand, we'll play C and E together. We'll play this 3 times. Then we have E, G, E, 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 F sharp, B, and E. Let's repeat that. Now let's play that hands together. If you find playing the 3 notes quickly too hard, you can simplify it by just playing the end notes. So instead of playing C, B, and A quickly, we'll just play A. Similarly, instead of playing G, F sharp, and E quickly, we'll just play E. So the right hand would play like this. With hands together, the easy version sounds like this.